Welcome to our discussion on the critical role of safety shoes in the workplace. Safety shoes are specialized protective equipment. They are designed and manufactured to ensure the safety of workers in various workplaces. They protect workers' feet from numerous risks encountered on the job and help prevent workplace accidents. Safety shoes are a fundamental element in creating a safe working environment. They protect against many workplace accidents, such as slips, chemical spills, falls, and electrical hazards. For all these reasons, safety shoes should be worn in workplaces where there are heavy and sharp materials, chemicals, electrical hazards, and wet and slippery floors. Not wearing safety shoes can lead to several serious consequences. Physical injuries such as broken bones, crush injuries and cuts. Working without proper protection can cause chronic foot pain and other orthopedic problems. On the other hand, injuries can also render workers unable to perform their duties. It's crucial to wear them and maintain them properly. To extend the lifespan of safety shoes and maintain their effectiveness, they should be cleaned, stored in a dry and cool place, and inspected regularly. In conclusion, safety shoes are essential to protect workers' health and safety on the job. Therefore, wearing safety shoes and maintaining them properly is crucial for both workers' health and job productivity. Thank you for wearing safety shoes and staying safe.